So welcome to the latest FutureX. Today we're here with our VP of Technology, Vinny Dye, and we want to talk about big data and the future of big data because it's getting bigger by the second. And Vinny's going to introduce some of the solutions that Moxie's working on.
Yeah, I want to walk you through Astral, which is our platform for how we're going to work through these big data problems. When there's too much data, when there's too few data, and everything in between.
Traditionally, the approach we took was we'd use humans to sort of classify and try to start to make sense of this data.
Yeah.
That's becoming less and less possible.
Right, so we can't possibly do this on a human level scale anymore, right? I can't ask somebody to go through and classify and tag, let's say, even articles of from 10 years ago in our, let's say, WordPress CMS, right? Or any CMS. We can't also do the same for products, as that is expanding like crazy. Amazon being the biggest example of that. So what we're trying to do is use machine learning to help us understand what is this product really about, right? What is this content? What is the sentiment in this content? Is it a happy article? Is it a sad article? What does the image in the article tell us about that?
So data sounds like this sort of abstracted, somewhat non-human artifact, but it really tells us about the things we care about, the things we're interested in. It gives us insight into how we behave. And what I find really interesting about Astral is by applying this machine intelligence approach, it's also, I guess, learning.
Exactly. Astral is our platform, our machine learning platform, that can take any piece of content, any product, go through the product description, go through the product images, go through any related products on that page, right? Like if you went to an Amazon page and just scrubbed it, Astral pulls all of that and starts to learn what is really on that page and starts to classify it in a way that is less taxonomic, if that's a word, but less based on the information architecture that we have created as humans and more on what the platform sees.
If you were to look at the future for Astral over the next, say, year, 2 years or so, where do you see that heading?
Yeah, so we're working with a lot of clients right now to essentially try to grab data from different industries, right? We're in health and beauty, we're in CPG, we're in content, in just content alone, various industries as well. And we're working with them to try to classify this data for that particular industry, right? So in the real estate industry, for example, taking pictures of houses and trying to understand what kind of a house is this? Is it a colonial? Is it a Victorian? And we're pulling all of that data so that we can use it to train our models.
All right, well, I'm sure we'll have another video update in the near future about where Astral is headed.
Absolutely.
And thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
All right.